Hi, Jenny here. Today we are going to make some apple pie oatmeal. Let's get started. For this recipe we are going to need 1/3 cup of oats, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of chopped and peeled apple, 1/2 a cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. First we will prep our apple. Now in a medium-sized pot, you want one that's a little bit larger than less, even though you're thinking you only have a little bit of oatmeal. Oatmeal fluffs up as it cooks. But we're just going to put all of our ingredients in here at once. Alright, now we will just put it on the stove over medium heat and cook it for 10 minutes. It's nice and thick. Timer went off. We'll let that cool for a little bit. Serve it up and eat it. The apple pie oatmeal is done. It smells delicious. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave the recipe down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below if you like to eat oatmeal and what your favorite kind is. I'm going to enjoy my breakfast. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Let's see, hope it's not too hot. Or no. It tastes like apple pie. Good stuff.